Hello guys, welcome to my video and welcome to my channel MM Marketers and Assalamu alaikum to everyone. So, as we discussed in my previous video that we will run our website that we have created using Chat GPT, and this is the code that we created in that video. So if you guys have missed that video or you haven't watched that video, so make sure that you have watched that video and first of all watch it. And those who have watched that video, so we continue from here, as this code is created in HTML and CSS language. So the first thing that we will have to do is to copy that video, to copy that code and save it in your C local disk in any folder with the extension name index.html. Make sure that you guys have named that correctly, and when you save that code, it will be shown like this index with the Chrome icon, and when you will guys double click on that, and it will show your website. As we have created this website using Chat GPT, it just created a simple template that is showing welcome to my simple website. This is a simple website created using HTML and CSS. So one piece of advice for all of you guys, this video is simply to show you guys how ChatGPT can create your code. Got it? If you guys have a little bit knowledge about HTML and CSS, then you guys can customize this template using your own knowledge, and you will create and definitely create a very beautiful template or website or for your business or for your client. So ChatGPT makes your work easy and faster, but not overwhelm your work. So at the end, it's your experience and knowledge and your customizations that you can use using your code, like code compiler, and create your own website. So for now guys, that's it, and I will catch you guys in my next video about something really important or something that you will guys ask me to create content on. So continue on providing me queries and asking me questions. I will definitely reply you as soon as possible. So for now, assalamu alaikum and Allah hafiz.